The Marriott Marquis, Queens Park. Holy smokes. Hello, my name is Nick Gray. I'm going to be your tour guide. I'm staying at this hotel and I got some surprising things to say. I've been here and it's really growing on me. My name is Nick. I travel all around the world and visit mostly Marriott hotels, but also I was at the St. Regis last night. I'm in Bangkok for a couple days. I was just in Japan. I'm going to show you this hotel. Here's what you're going to get on my tour. I'm going to show you the pool. I'm going to show you the gym. I'm going to show you the executive lounge. And I'm going to show you the breakfast buffet, which is incredible. Of course, I'm going to give you a room tour, and don't miss out for the secrets at the very end. Let's walk in the lobby now, and I'll share you what the lobby looks like. Come on. Okay, here's the lobby. We're going to walk inside. Very beautiful lobby. One thing that you'll see me say later is that this hotel is just massive. It's just huge. And you can't really tell now because, okay, it looks like any other hotel lobby, but it is huge and there's different wings, and we're going to talk about that and explore, but I'm just going to show you the lobby now. I'm visiting here on July 24th of 2023. If you are coming to this hotel because you are looking for a budget option for your family, I believe you will be very happy. And it's not because the rooms are amazing, the rooms are fine. It's because there's so much else to offer. We're talking about a great gym, fantastic breakfast buffet, especially if you get a good breakfast deal. So this is where the check-in is. You're gonna actually come right back to this area or to over there to do your check-in. What are we gonna do now? Let's go up and I'll show you the room first. My room is back this way. I'm gonna change shirts. I think I filmed my room tour last night when I first checked in. We'll go up to the room tour now. Here we go, into my room. Wow, the bathroom is neat actually. This is really nice. Most videos, I wait to do the bathroom. I'm gonna come back. Let me show you the room. We're here at the Marriott, the Queens Park in Bangkok, Thailand, and I'm excited to show you around. Is this the refrigerator? That this is like exposed? It is, just like that. Very cool. Oh, wow. Wow, this is neat. Okay, I'm excited to explore this. I'm going to show you. I like this vase over here. I like these little touches. I like this TV. I'm happy to have a work area. I was just at another hotel and they didn't even have a chair to make it easy to work in, but this one does. Here is my room. I am on the 21st floor, I think. I will show you the club lounge if I haven't already. This is my view. I'm not too excited about it, but whatever. I'm not here for the view. I'm here to experience Bangkok and to explore Thailand. This is a king-size bed. I did not get upgraded to a suite. Now note that this privacy curtain can close for the bedroom. Something that I love to check whenever I visit a new hotel are what are the plugs and the lights and the configurations next to the bed. So I will show that to you here. I stayed at the St. Regis last night, and I was a little miffed that they didn't have a nighttime lights button. I mean, maybe they did. If you've stayed there and you know that they do, please correct me down here in the comments. It appears that this one does. And I'll tell you something I love to see is the 2.1 amp USB type A charger. So that's nice. I'm happy for that. I like these lights. Let's go into the bathroom now and we can take a look. You can see we're in Thailand, so they have the bum gun over there, single sink area, 2 bottles of water. Do I see any more? I don't see any more. No bathtub, obviously, just a shower. An overhead shower as well as, okay, so there's the rainmaker thing, and there's the shower handle. Standard Marriott shower products. I'm not going to go too much into those, but it's a nice, okay. It's a nice setup. Look, this is a basic hotel room, and the reality is that this is a suitable hotel for families that are coming to Bangkok. That's what the other reviews said online. That's probably what you've seen. 2 bathrobes. This hotel is nice. It's not going to win any awards, but for the price, for the redemption rate that you're getting for it, it's fine. It's fine. Look, it's a very nice TV. The beds are nice. The pillows are nice. The check-in was fast. I like it. I don't know what else more you could want. I'm going to go explore some more areas. I will show you some things. Can I give a very quick shout out? I promise I'll be fast. This book, you have to check it out. It's called The 2-Hour Cocktail Party. Why check it out? For two main reasons. Number one, there's over 400 reviews from people that say that it changed their life. Look at the reviews. Number two, because I wrote it. I spent over $50,000 in the last 6 years of my life writing this book as a hobby. I sold my last companies and now I get to travel the world and go to hotels, but I also worked on this because I'm so passionate about it. I will just very briefly show you. It is an easy book to read. You can read this book in 1 hour and you will learn some things about hosting a networking event, a happy hour, a party for your kid's birthday, whatever. Check the book out. Okay, end of my commercial. Let's now go to explore the executive lounge. The M Club Lounge. Well, I'm here inside of the lounge. It is 10:30 at night, so it's pretty empty right now. I imagine this place is packed during the daytime because it is very large. This is one of the largest executive lounges. Actually, of all the hotels I've been in, I think this is the largest lounge I've ever been in. It's very big. I'll try to show you around because they do have some nice amenities. I got some peanuts. There's plenty of free sodas. There's also some cookies over there. You can see the cookies that the kids are getting, which is really nice. There's lots of seating areas. Now, members here are also eligible. Wow, here's the tea selection and the coffee. Let's just check these out over here. I love to see what teas are available. Very nice. Here's the beverages as well as the coffee. I'm gonna grab one of those waters actually. What I was saying was there are some teas and some coffees. I have never seen a lounge that is this big. It's enormous. I will be here tomorrow morning, so I will try to film another video for you to show you. Members get access to this. There's 2 free pressings per day. There's breakfast, there's snacks all day. It's the common lounge. Oh, but you also get access to a meeting room. 2 hours per day, you do have access to a meeting room. Holy cow, and it still keeps on going back there. Let's go down and I will show you the gym. Let's go to the gym next. The fitness center. Wow, I gotta say that I'm pretty excited to check this out because look what's inside right here. Is this a squash court or a racquetball court? Wow. Again, I've been to a lot of hotels before. I have not seen some of the things that they have here, like that enormous executive lounge, having a squash court. Now, here's how squash court reservations work, in case this is something that you are curious about. That shows you how to reserve the squash court. All right, let's continue. I don't want to disturb anybody, but once again, this is the largest gym that I've seen at a hotel. This place is massive. Wow. I see several cardio equipments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 treadmills, many ellipticals. Let's see what's back here. Okay, somebody's working out. Look at this, this is enormous. This is really nice. Now, lately I've been working out a lot, so I'm very excited to come here tomorrow morning. I'm also a little bit curious to know how many other people are going to be working here. This is the largest free weight selection that I've ever seen at a hotel. Definitely goes up the highest amount of weights. Wow, this is very cool. Okay. All right. I'm gonna walk out, but I'm just telling you the selection at this gym is surprisingly interesting. Great hotel gym. Lots of machines. These machines are great, by the way. If you're doing free weights, really, really good. I'm really surprised. This is a great gym. Wow, there's like yoga mats and everything. I'm back in my room now. I'm still shook from that gym. I like hotel gyms. That was a very nice gym with a lot of good equipment. I talked to a guy in the hotel and he said the breakfast is fantastic. Don't have it at the lounge. He said have it downstairs. So I'm excited to show you the breakfast tomorrow morning. Now I'm gonna go to bed. I can't wait to sleep on this bed and I'll see you tomorrow morning for breakfast. The Executive Lounge, or the M Club Lounge, or the M Lounge, their breakfast was pretty good. I came up this morning, I'm recording this voiceover later because I didn't want to disturb other people. Their breakfast selection was awesome, actually. I had planned to just come up and film, and I ended up just getting some extra food so I could eat. There's a nice selection. It really wasn't as crowded as I had imagined. Now, mind you, I'm up here at about probably 8:30 in the morning, which you would imagine is going to be peak time. But it turned out really good. You can see they have, it's the common things that you find here in Bangkok at these hotels for the breakfast. There's some great fresh fruits. There's the noodle station that we passed. Here's the croissants and the bakery area. You can see the charcuterie board section with some vegetables. I ended up getting some hard-boiled eggs and some noodles, and then I was going to the gym, so I made myself a little bit of toast with some peanut butter. I would say I continue to be happy with this executive lounge. It was a nice setup. In fact, I'm recording this from the business center, which is right back there. Good morning. I'm here at Goji Bar, or Goji Restaurant, which is the enormous breakfast buffet. And let me just tell you, I went in to tour it. It's enormous. Look inside. I'm very happy. Look, I have to admit that last night when I checked in, I was not thrilled about this hotel. I'm telling you now, it might be one of my price performance leaders here in Bangkok, Thailand. Let's go look in Goji. This is the logo. This is where the breakfast is, the big breakfast, not the executive spot. This is the big breakfast. Let's check it out. Goji Kitchen and Bar, that is the logo of it. But let's go inside. Here it is right now. And oh my Lord, just in line with the rest of this hotel being so large, I'm telling you that the breakfast buffet is exactly the same. Wow, look at this. It's a nice coffee station, which I like that you can go up there to get your own stuff. It's nice to have espresso, fresh juices, which we see at so many hotels, but especially here in Thailand. Wow, I like that they have iced Americano, Thai iced tea, iced lattes. They also have my favorite, which is watermelon juice. I love watermelon juice. All right, will you let me know and will you leave a comment and tell me, do you want less of these breakfast buffet tours on my hotel videos? Would you prefer to instead that I show more of the amenities and the features in the lobby? I find that I always want to know what's at the hotel. Wow, look at this. It's like a milkshake station, a goji berry milkshake, which is cool. I'm just telling you, when you come here, you're gonna start your day in Bangkok very well. Wow, I see a noodle station over there. Look, I was at the St. Regis yesterday, and this breakfast, I think, is better. I think it's better. Look, pork noodle soup with the fish balls, rice porridge, fish porridge, rice. Let's come over. By the way, I took a Thai language lesson yesterday, and I learned that the word for bottled water and fish sauce is incredibly similar. This breakfast buffet is enormous. I cannot get over it. All the different selections. Okay, the time that I'm here is late, and so they have gone through a lot of food. I'm here at 10:15, and the breakfast closes at 10:30. So that is my fault, and I apologize. But I just want to tell you, when you come, I think if you get here early, they're going to have full selection. Looking over at the meat, we've got a lot of choices. Last week I was in Tokyo, Japan, and I learned that, you're not allowed to film people there. I wasn't allowed to have people's faces in my video. So I'm being a little bit mindful of that now. Okay, we're going to finish up right here at the bread area, which you can see an excellent croissant and other selection. This breakfast area is enormous. There's outdoor seating as well. You probably don't want to sit there, but I'm just showing you all the different seating. I'm gonna wrap up the hotel tour here now. I'm sitting down in the very nice lobby. I might do a little bit of work on my laptop. I'm impressed with this hotel. And the summary is that for the value, for the price that I paid, I'm very happy with it. And I like all the extra amenities. And I think it was a nice hotel. Be sure that when you come here that you check out the gym. Because I didn't say this, but I'm gonna tell you now. Attached to the gym is a men's and women's locker room. And in that locker room, they have a hot tub and they have a sauna. You have to check that out. I love those things. You'll sleep so much better, by the way. Have a great trip to Bangkok, Thailand. If you like this video, will you do me one favor? Will you just follow me or leave me a comment or a like? Tell me when you're coming to Bangkok. Maybe I'll share some of my travel tips. Have a great trip. Bye.